What's up, boys? Happy New Year, happy 2022. Hope you guys had a good start to the new year so far. And in today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is showing you what you need to do in the events that you do nick yourself while you're shaving. Let's get into it. But before we get into it, guys, if you have not yet, be sure to check out the channel. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future content. Also, be sure to shoot me a follow on Instagram at AdamTerraStuff. All right, guys, so I want to make this quick video because I figured, it'd be kind of a helpful video for some of you guys out there who maybe, don't know the process and what you need to do, just in case you nick yourself while you're shaving or anything like that. I know some of you guys probably out there don't have a pops around to maybe explain this kind of stuff to you. So I figured, what the hell, let's show you guys exactly what we do in the barbershop and also what you can do at home. So in the event where you cut yourself, guys, where it's prone to happen, especially if you're using a safety razor or a straight edge like this, you are prone to nicking yourself, and it is going to happen, guys. Sooner or later, you will nick yourself. And sometimes it can be a bad nick, sometimes it can be just, a little scrape here and there, Depending on the angle of how you use your safety razor or your straight edge, especially the straight edge, guys, you're going to nick yourself. Also, using the proper razors for your skin type is also a big deal, guys. Now, we can go over that in another video. We can go over, different various sharpness of different blades to use in your safety razors and your straight razors, because those do play a factor, depending on your coarseness of your beard, your hair, and also your skin type. But the first thing that you need to do, guys, when you nick yourself is don't panic, stay calm. Usually it's nothing that's a big deal, guys. Usually a little nick isn't gonna cause any issues for you. It'll heal up nice and fine for you. So you might nick yourself, you might feel it, and just make sure that you don't panic, don't freak out when you see a little bit of blood under the shaving cream or you see that you nicked yourself. That's the first step. Next step, it depends on how bad you nick yourself, guys. If you nick yourself in a pretty good manner, sometimes you gotta stop it shaving altogether and tend to the wound right away. Sometimes if it's just a little tiny nick, you can go about and continue shaving and then handle it after you're done with the whole process of your shave. But what we do at the barbershop when we nick you on the neck or when we're performing a shave, I think can be applied at home as well. It's very easy to do. So in the event that you do nick yourself, guys, there are a few things that you can use to really help stop the bleeding and give your wound the best chance of healing. So what we like to use in the barbershop are styptic powders or styptic liquids, liquid styptic. So you can buy this stuff on Amazon, guys. There will be a link in the description below for you. So this stuff is what we use in the barbershop here. This one is a liquid styptic. This one is great for just like little tiny nicks that you'll nick on the back or something like that, in the neck or under the chin or something like that. Just tiny little nicks. And the way you want to use this stuff is, what we do is we have neck strips, the strips that you use and put around, the barber puts around your neck before they put on your cape. We use those. So what I'll do, let's pretend this is a neck strip. You can implement this and copy this at home. Grab a little bit of toilet paper, tissue paper, grab your liquid styptic, and what we do is we actually squirt this stuff onto the neck strip or your toilet paper. Douse it a good bit, in an area. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't wanna waste it. I haven't nicked myself. So you wanna spray this stuff on here, and then what you wanna do is apply it to the wound, okay? And then just hold it there for like 30 seconds. Just hold it there. And what this does is it helps stop the bleeding, and it also disinfects the wound. So this stuff can burn pretty good if you get yourself good. So that's what we do with little nicks, is we use this liquid styptic protector right here, and it even says right here, stops bleeding of minor cuts and scrapes and sanitizes it. So a really good stuff to keep around for those little nicks. Now, when we nick somebody a little bit more harsh, what we like to use is the powdered styptic stuff. Okay, guys, this is just like a step up from the liquid styptic stuff. So you can get this stuff again on Amazon, guys. And what I like about this is it's a powder that you can apply to the wounds that will really help stop the bleeding. Now the same kind of process happens, grab your tissue paper or your neck strip, you grab this. Sometimes the wound can be pretty bad to where you actually want to take off the whole top of this and douse it on here a little bit, okay? But these applicators also have this little tube bottle here, and then what you're gonna do is the same thing, is just kind of apply it, and you gotta be steady with this one because this stuff is a powder, so it can fall off of your applicator here. So in the events of that happening, it's a tissue paper at home. And you want to apply this stuff and gently and carefully apply it to that nicked area, and there'll be a powder there. So you want to hold it on the wound again. You know, apply some pressure. That's going to help stop the bleeding, and also it is going to sting and it is going to sanitize it. You hold and apply pressure for 30 seconds, guys, with this stuff. It should stop the bleeding. If it is a really bad one, apply a little bit more and continue the process till it stops bleeding, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna leave it be. You don't wanna touch it. You don't want to dust this stuff off. You wanna let the wound coagulate, the blood coagulate in the styptic powder so that it stops the bleeding, okay? And then you can tend to it a little bit later on, a couple hours later, I would say. Then you can, dust off the powder, or you can apply a bandage or something like that if it's that bad. But usually nicks aren't that bad, guys. Usually it just takes a little bit of styptic powder to actually just brush it on and stop the bleeding, and then you're good to go, man. You can apply and finish out your shave, with the applying an aftershave or using a balm or something like that, which will really help. And another option that you guys can have, there are Styptic pencils out there as well, guys. So basically the same thing as the powder, just in a tube form. I don't have one with me, sadly, but it's basically just a pencil of Styptic that you use and you apply it to the cuts. So that's another good option to help stop the bleeding when you have a little bit of nicks here and there. I don't know if you've seen any of the old videos where you can actually use a little bit of tissue paper and like rip it off and put it on. You ever seen guys in those old videos where they get done shaving and they have like all this white stuff around them? And it's usually tissue paper. That's another way you can stop the bleeding, but the best way, the most hygienic way, is going to be use a styptic powder or using a liquid styptic. So like I said, guys, just a short video. I wanted to explain this one to you because I figured it'd help out some of you guys out there who are shaving a lot, or just want to know this kind of little detail. Have somebody to at home, a man in the house, to show you exactly what happens when you nick yourself. So quick little video for you guys. Also, just wanted to apologize to you guys for not being able to get on camera and make some videos for the past 3 weeks or month or so, guys. I ended up catching COVID and just wasn't able to get around to doing them. Also, I lost my sense of taste and smell, guys. So the pomade reviews and product reviews like that, I figured it wouldn't be I don't want to short end you guys with an important aspect with the reviews, such as the smell. The scent is a very important part with pomades or any product that you use. So right now I can't smell them, guys, so I can't really give you guys a thorough review of a product, and I don't want to short end you guys with not being able to do that. So bear with me. I appreciate you guys sticking around with me, and being patient with the reviews and stuff. They will be coming around when I get my sense of taste and smell back. I don't know how long that's going to be. It's different for everybody. So, thank you for patiently waiting, and we will get back into the groove of doing some more reviews. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I appreciate you if you checked out this video, and I hope it helps some of you guys, because I know that this can be just something stupid that you think about, like, oh, how do I do this? But here it is, man. This is how we do it in the barbershop, and this is the gold standard for stopping nicks for us barbers in the shop. So apply this at home. I'm pretty sure it will help you guys out, and make it a lot easier and make your shaving experience that much more enjoyable. Also, like I said, guys, there will be links in the description to these Styptic powders down below. Now, these are going to be Amazon affiliate links, so if you do purchase through those links, I do get a kickback. Now, that does not raise the price to you in any way. It's just a way for me to be compensated for promoting these products. Check out the top pinned comment, guys, where there will be a link to purchasing some of the pomades that I have released recently. We have the Shapeshifter Clay, we have the Totem Pomade, got a couple other things on there. We got a beard oil that's really, really, really nice, the Warrior Oil. I've been getting really good feedback from all this stuff in the barbershop, guys. So if you're interested, I would greatly recommend you to check out that top pinned comment and check out my website. So again, thanks for watching this one, guys. Have a blessed rest of your day. Stay fresh, because you deserve the best. We will see you guys next time. Take it easy.